From the moment you arrive, this home says welcome. Home has a very open floor plan with lots of windows. New luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. New interior and exterior paint, new light fixtures, new plumbing fixtures, new white panel doors, all bathrooms remodeled. Home lives much large than square feet. Shows. Nice large family room plus a living room with real wood fireplace, dining room can fit the whole crowd. Nice sized primary bedroom with 3/4 bath. Laundry room with cabinets and wash sink. Very private 1/3 acre lot with fully fenced backyard plus 3 storage sheds. Good sized RV parking spot alongside of home. Oversized 2-car garage with nice storage or workshop space. Super access to freeway, schools and